Hi, let's extract the audio or split the audio and the video streams from each other. To do this, first click this button. Now that you have this selected, you can hold Shift and scroll through the various options like Extract Audio to WAV, which gives you only the audio stream uncompressed, split the audio and the video streams to separate files, or Delete Audio, which will extract only the video stream to a new file, and finally, Get Original Audio will extract all the audio streams in their original form inside the media container. Just for the sake of this demonstration, I will extract the audio as uncompressed WAV, but of course you can choose any other of the available options. Now we can select the video file and drag it over the application window, which will automatically start the process. As you can see, the application quickly creates the new media file and adds it to the original media folder.